This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pudding using China grass. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your workspace for a smooth cooking experience. We'll cover everything from soaking the agar-agar to chilling the final dessert. This easy method ensures a perfect, wobbly pudding every time, ideal for any occasion. Get ready to create a delightful treat that everyone will love, with minimal effort and maximum flavor. To begin, you'll need just a few simple items. Grab 10 grams of China grass, also known as agar-agar, which is our key setting agent. Then, measure out 500 milliliters of full-fat milk for a rich base. For sweetness, have 100 grams of sugar ready, and finally, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract will add a lovely aroma and taste. These are all you need for a fantastic pudding. Let's get cooking. Start by soaking your China grass in 50 milliliters of water for about 10 minutes to soften it. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, bring the milk and sugar to a gentle boil, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. Now, add the soaked China grass to the hot milk mixture, stirring continuously until it's fully melted. Simmer this for just 2 to 3 minutes, then take it off the heat. Once your pudding mixture is ready, carefully pour it into your chosen mold or individual serving bowls. Allow it to cool down at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This initial cooling helps prevent condensation. After that, transfer it to the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until it's completely set and firm. Serve your delicious China grass pudding chilled, perhaps with some fresh fruit or a sprinkle of nuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.